unlike things you paid for you didn't need, like that much-needed 125-inch flat-screen TV.
It's hurting my eyes a lot.
Or your 100-inch
My neck is so much stiff and it's completely stuck.
With Liberty Mutual, get customized home insurance, so you only pay for what you need.
I'm seeing color splotches.
Only pay for what you need at libertymutual.com.
David Horowitz, author of Blitz, is predicting more protests against President Trump this summer. In Blitz, Horowitz warns Antifa wants to stop Trump. Blitz is already a #1 Amazon bestseller. Tune in at 7 p.m. Eastern to Greg Kelly Reports on Newsmax to find out the real agenda of Antifa. Newsmax TV ratings are up 200%. Everyone carries us: DirecTV, Dish, Xfinity, Spectrum, Fox, Optimum, Uverse, Fios, Suddenlink, Mediacom, Wow, Armstrong, and more. Newsmax TV. Real news for real people. News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
It's like 30 teenagers shot, 30 kids shot around the country. Don't those lives count? Because, he counts to me. Here's what Lawrence Jones said part of his interview.
Now that we know who did this, had a long criminal record, and they allowed him to still be on the street, what is your message to the leaders that allowed that to happen?
Y'all got to change. Y'all see the way y'all got things going on. It's not working. How many kids is going to have to die before we realize we need to do better? I mean, when you find out it's one of your daughters, or your sister, or brother, and then you'll feel the pain that I feel, it shouldn't have to come to that. I mean, we should be able to do something as a people, as a community, come together and strategize that. And think of something that's a lot better than what's going on now. Because, I mean, at this point, all our kids are dying out here in the streets.
Do you think the public is taking this seriously, and if this is getting as much of attention as it should be getting right now? should there be protests the same for your daughter's right as it is when another person is killed at the hands of law enforcement or anybody?
I believe so. It should be. Hopefully, this point right now is a stepping stone, and hopefully things will get taken care of. And I'm so happy that my daughter's name is ringing bells and light has been shed over this horrific act.
That's Chicago. He lost a 7-year-old girl. Unspeakable pain. This is preventable. Remember in Seattle, I interviewed Horace Lorenzo Anderson, Sr., lost his son with his namesake, Junior. I mean, that didn't happen. That happened in the summer of Love Zone. Then the mayor never even called Mr. Anderson. Never picked up a phone for this guy. Unbelievable. You know, you look at this 8-year-old little girl that was